bafethu awehamba kanjani bafethu abayishani. It is a boy Scary Plug. This is so qala ngamachitha ne. Boy, introduce yourself then we are again umuntu ne.
It's Msizi_XIV.
Sondela Msizi boy. Rubambela boy. Smash or pass?
For me it's a smash.
Right, so I smash.
Yeah, she's just no.
I want to shout my game, boy.
Yeah, well, really type nje ukuthi short and small. Yeah.
Short and sweet.
Yeah. Angadepend yabo kodwa ke for now. Yeah, it's pass.
Why pass boy? Why pass?
Just nje. No, I'm not impressed yabo. Yeah.
You need to know of.
The color of the hair. Combos are not communicating.
Right. Lana?
It's pass.
Why pass?
I can say the facial expression. Facial expression. It's giving notes about my vibe. So.
Yeah.
So it's pass, yeah. Oh, it's Smash.
Why? Yeah. Why?
I don't think selling order, so.
Yeah. Full chicken.
You know the vibes, so.
You know the vibes.
Yeah.
Alright, I. Uzoibambe phone number. Comfy.
Hi guys, this is Luandile _ on Instagram. Sing again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sondela again.
Cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you.
Okay, for Rowena at Smash, cause okay, I like the cuts and yeah, Ninja look going guy. Like alright, ne, but he hides. And I'm trying to find my skinny jeans. Asingbo. Yeah, it's Smash. Okay, for Rowena. Maybe monga shintindlela going ayabo. But Sigona, alright. You're good jeans, you're good looking. But indlela going ayo for me it's not giving, so pass. Why are you clean? Why are you clean? You're good looking, but ukaqile. And ngimthanda umthetho ukaqile.
Hey.
Yeah, for local pass. Sorry. At Smash. Yeah. Alright. Like uqoke kahle. He's dark and clean, so why not?
We player.
You play.
Ngiyadlala. Shy boxing. Uzokuvikela.
Usho boxing.
Boxer.
Inkinga ama gold tooth mengakhipha wona maybe at Smash.
Ne?
Yeah.
Hey. How many times a day?
Cebo lakhe lo wakacula isibongo on TikTok it's Asanda Xulu 408. Yeah. Yeah, amapeni. Yes. Ngishayela nje 360. Smash this one. Yeah.
Sondeza.
Mama right. Oh by kama. Ngo. I smash ngo.
Reason?
Amuhle vethu ama dimples angichaza.
Ihlezilo ekodola.
James fethu. I would smash.
Sondela kuyi sondela.
But yabo height. Ngengifike ngalendlela le. Ngaze ngeje boy. Mase yangiposta yabo manje. Full chicken fethu.
What are you talking about?
Angigcwele fethu ngigcwele la mama. Ngishayela 360 man. Please. Alright, so I would smash. Mehla khangichaza. Why you push?
It's boy.
My name is Niquita James. On Instagram, I'm Niquita_James. Bruh, honestly, I'd smash. He's dark.
Just dark.
Yeah, I like them dark. He's cute. Yeah. I'd smash you. Just that you short, but smash. Nkazegile. Honestly, you're not that bad. I'll smash you.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, bo?
I'm
I'll smash you.
sorry.
But foot at the same time, eh? Ngabana logo.
Hey boy, uzizwa kanjani?
Nah, it's cool.
Pra, I'd smash you. Yeah. Let's leave it there. Very good. When I smash her now, I smash and say, I ain't living shona a day. You my height, I like your height.
But then go boy.
Smash your ass, G. Yo, what's up? It's your boy TIMID. You can find me on IG. It's _team_official, man. Let's get it. Hey, how are you doing?
I'm good.
Nah, it's smash you. You're looking good. You're very pretty. You have a nice body. Your jib is nice. Yeah, you're cool. Hey.
Hi.
You're very pretty. You have a pretty face, man. But your jib, I don't know about your jib, man. Them techies, man, nah, I don't feel them, man. And they're ruining the whole feed, man. Nah, come on. I'm not quoting you, though. You could.
There's something wrong there.
You could. I smash you.
Just the text.
Yeah, just the techies, man.
Nice.
I don't know. I'll smash you, but you're very light for me. I smash, but
There's no pass.
maybe once.
Pass.
Maybe once.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe once.
Yeah.
Once.
Yeah.
Once. Just
once.
once. Yeah.
One something.
Maybe one night stand, yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, good.
I'm good.
Your trip is very nice.
Nang boy.
Nah. I'm past that. I smash you. You're good. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Mobile. On TikTok, I'm Mo1216. Hi. Yeah, good, yeah. Your trip is perfect. But pass. No, it's not a revenge. I did. Chebe. Yeah. Hi. Oh, short, ne? Ngifuna ukuthi na mangihaki it boyfriend. Mhlawumbe ibe ngaka at least. Hi. Handsome. Mina ngigqokele nice.
Segqoke kahle utheni eqeleni?
Ushilo.
Oh.
And but pass. Hi. Can I see your hair? Maybe unempandla.
Yo, hayi impandla nani manje?
Yeah, I can date you.
Smash or pass?
Smash. I feel like umncane. Angazi why.
Uphu ibhele ugaxele.
Pass.
Oh yeah.
Hi guys, this is Ntokozo Khumalo. Mhlengi Magolide Khumalo on Instagram.
Yeah.
First, I will compliment you. Like, okay, you're looking good. Your dress code is perfect, and you are beautiful, man. But I just think I'll pass respectfully. I'll smash.
Why?
She's beautiful. Her dress code is Nah, for me, I don't like serious stuff.
Eh? Wait.
I said, okay.
Wait.
I mean,
Sundays. Eh?
I don't like girls that trip so much.
Oh yeah. So
much
she's.
trip is not
You
for
said
me.
you don't like serious.
No, no. Not like that. Not like that. I mean, like too much trip. I don't like too much trip. And
Alright.
you're just cool for me. I'll smash. I'll definitely smash. You're my type. Okay. I know you said you'll pass, but I'll likely smash.
Okay, kuza kupasid. Ne? Smash. Why?
I think she's just fine for me. She's not too much. Not so beautiful, but not ugly also. You're not ugly, but you're not so much beautiful.
Hey, in a scale of 1 to 10, near Bani?
I think 6.5. 6.
Who's next? Aha. What's that?
Hey, Smash. Uyangichaza na the way going akhona.
Okay. Smash of us.
Pass. Pass. Ngithanda ogaya bathole. Ushows for me.
Short.
Yes. For me.
Oi, bo. Anna.
Shawty, I'm done playing games. Yeah, I wanna make my hair right now. Shawty, I'm
Alright. Oh, Onje. Oh, smash or pass?
Smash.
Reason. Yay.
Alright.
Right. Tall.
Yeah.
Handsome.
Nice.
Ismail Sako puto. Was a boy. Alright, was. Right.
Smash.
Why?
Dark, handsome, and tall.
Who? Dark, tall, and handsome. Wait.
Yeah.
Hey, you need to understand about dark, tall, and handsome. Nah, tall, dark, and handsome now.
Handsome dog.
Eh?
Handsome.
Hey, ngubuza yena uthi tall, dark, and handsome.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah.
Handsome.
Alright.
Handsome. Funa lelo.
Ekhulumeke.
Musane kungiphuza. Smash or pass?
Pass.
What up? It's your boy Temba. Zero. Bamazi ngofana omnyama nje phethe endaweni eyiningi yabo. So le nto engigqoke la i-patient merchandise yabo.
Hayi qothi ke. Yebo, turn around my boy.
Bengizothi smash yabo. Manje wathi give me pass. Yabo. But iqiniso ukuthi mina I date amantombazana amafishane and anje ngawo exactly. But you said pass. So pass.
Revenge.
Yeah, payback.
Payback. So.
Okay. Okay. Lana TK definitely.
Ngibona uzama ukuba serious.
Definitely upass nala.
Why?
Ish, I feel like unesipho esikhulu yabo. And na. Like ngathi say pass. Okay. Okay. No.
Let him cook.
Okay. Definitely mangibuka lana ibala definitely is the one because angitaste amazana emnyama yabo. So well, definitely ngokwebala ngokwe height because uthe siyalingana kumele bemfishane kumele silingane so it's a pass. Excuse. Sorry.
Look.
Bothe ngimncane pass futhi.
Uyamthinda futhi.
No, othe ngivali no sisiwami mfethu nayi ke mfethu i-type yami mfethu yabo. Inkinga ukuthi siyalingana kumele bemfishane.
Lingana.
Kumele bemfishane kakhulu like usisiwami lo ngale yabo ukuthi uthe pass should now pass. Siyalingana mfethu. Yes. Nentombi mina nginentombi. Ubani umgwala?
Hayi ngoba nakuno smash. Kahle.
Yeah? What are you saying, Nikita?
Kahle bebe u3 abantu bengizoba smasha
La?
lapha.
Usmasha bonga kanti?
Phela bengisengiba smasha laba yabo
Bazwela
labo.
Bro, bani boss?
Ngikhethe laba u3.
Yeah. Babizi basondela.
Babizi.
Ubasmash.
Mkono. Mkono. No. Pull up, boy. Yes, blessings are up. Ngenxa ye-height. But ngizomthatha naye. So, akasale khona pa.
But
Sondela boy. Uza boy. Ovezingana.
Bengiyaphi Mongwele bengiyaphi?
Thank you, Bafit. Subscribe, like, comment, share.